Blumenthal back with you here, Natural Transplants Bethesda office, and we are pumped. We got Tim today. Tim, welcome, man.
Hey,
thanks for coming here. Appreciate you doing this for everybody. Hopefully this helps other people like it helped you out. If you wouldn't mind, everybody, sharing with everybody why you're here, what your story is, and how you found us.
Yeah, so over time I noticed a little loss up there, and I saw LeBron James and said, "Hey, if he can do it, maybe I can get a little fix." And did a little Google search for Maryland, and one of the top links was this guy.
Awesome, man. Very cool. Well, I'm gonna have Ron. I'm gonna sort of pull your hair back a little bit. You hide it. I mean, obviously you can see that the hairline is a little bit on the high side, and your hair hides it really well as well too. It goes a little bit further back than it appears on initially looking at it. So we're going to drop the hairline down to something that looks nice and natural and symmetric on your face, and then fill in the gap here, and we'll rock and roll. You good to go?
Good to go.
Cool. Awesome. We'll check on it a little later, okay?
All right, thanks a lot.
All right, we are back with Tim. As you can see, we've drawn the line out, done a little bit of shaving. I think it's a nice spot. We're both happy with it. Nice and natural looking, still has the symmetry of the face, but it's creating a nice new look. You doing good?
Doing great.
Awesome, man. We're excited to get going. We actually brought back just a little bit further. There are some spots in here that are a little thinner. So we brought the area that we're going to be focusing on a little bit further back than initially I thought, but I'm excited. You got great hair for this, awesome density. We're looking forward to it. All right, we'll see you a little bit later, okay?
All right, thanks a lot.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.